how will US defense spending be boosted thanks to Chinese aggression? RTX, Lockheed Martin, Leidos, Anduril and Northrop Grumman may attract more US spending for weapons, which could include long-range weapons, unmanned surface and undersea vehicles, and collaborative combat aircraft, as the government considers its response to Chinese military aggression against Taiwan in the South China Sea. Out of that group, Lockheed may be best positioned for the Army's long-range hypersonic weapon and precision strike missile if more funding comes from the reconciliation bill, currently expected to be between $100 and $150 billion. They remain the closest to delivering this capability, currently expected for deployments later this year, during a time where strategic deterrence may be more needed than ever. Northrop's ICBM Sentinel program, which has been subject to delays and budget increases, could be part of congressional plus-ups as part of a reconciliation bill. Delivery isn't planned until 2030 or later, with a first test flight delayed until 2026. It may also increase pressure from the White House and Congress, given that the program is one of the most significant strategic deterrence capabilities that the US has against Chinese aggression. Leidos, Austal, L3 Harris, Textron, and Swiftships could gain amid pressure to build more unmanned surface vehicles, which represents a major growth area given the Navy's plans to expand surface vessels from 0 to 78 and subsurface vessels from 0 to 56. USVs are smaller, less costly to build, and significantly cheaper to operate, with upfront costs supporting long-term savings. Geopolitical tensions could also spur additional funding into Northrop's B-21 Raider program. 3 airworthy aircraft, of an expected 100, have been completed, with the overall program valued at $130 billion, with long-range airstrike options remaining a top priority for Trump and the DoD. Hopefully that went some way to answer